Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Richard Reti and Roberto Grau. This game was played in Buenos Aires, Argentina in 1924. Richard Reti had white pieces and he started with c4, the English opening. Maybe. Knight to f6, g3, d5, c takes on d5, queen takes on d5, attacking the rook. Knight to f3. This is the hyper-accelerated dragon, reversed. c6, knight to c3, attacking the queen. Queen to a5, bishop to g2, bishop to f5 before playing e6. Reti castled kingside e6, d3, knight from b to d7, bishop to d2, lining the bishop with the black queen. Bishop to e7, knight to d4, attacking the bishop on f5, bishop to g6, white to move, and to play a move which is asking to be played. Which move is asking to be played? Knight to d5, attacking the queen. Queen to d8, knight takes on e7, removing the defender of the dark squares. Queen takes on e7, queen to b3, attacking the pawn on b7, queen to c5, attacking the knight. What is the best square for the knight? Reti played bishop to e3, an aggressive defense. Queen to b6, offering to exchange queens. No luck. Queen to a3, preventing castling. Queen to c7. Of course, Roberto Grau considered c5 and didn't like this continuation. Knight to b3, defending the pawn, and then knight takes on c5. After knight takes on c5, rook from a to c1. White is winning. Back to our game. Queen to c7 was played. Rook from a to c1. Grau is frustrated because he can't castle. Queen to e5. Well, if c5, then b4, and after castling, pawn takes pawn on c5. And this was not to Roberto Grau's liking. So he played queen to e5. White to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? White played a move and black resigned. Reti played this brilliant move. Bishop takes on c6. Roberto Grau resigned in view of this continuation. Pawn takes bishop. Knight takes on c6, attacking the queen. And more, if queen moves to a safe spot. Which is a safe spot? Is this a safe spot for the queen? It is. But saving the queen has a tiny downside. Queen to e7. Check. Mate. What a brilliant finish, Richard Reti. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.